So are you in the market for a gimbal or a stabilizer? Well, in this video, we're gonna show you the H5 Smart Gimbal Stabilizer for cell phones. Coming right up.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilo. What? Oh, today we have another product from Neewer. Neewer has been one of our go-to companies to get like these little gadgets that you're looking for, whether you are a creator, whether you just want to go and start taking pictures or anything like that. There are a lot of gimbals in the market. A gimbal is basically used for when you want to get your cell phone or your camera stabilized so that when you're moving things around, it keeps it in and doesn't have all this shake and bake, you can say.
So today we have the Smart Gimbal. The model is the H5 by Neewer. Again, Neewer is not spelled Neewer. It's N-E-E-R.
Yes.
You want to show them what it is?
So let's go ahead and open it up.
All right, let's see what we got inside the box. So, first off, what is this? Wait, it had rated voltage.
Yes.
It's got a 5.0 voltage, 2 working hours.
Yeah, so it is a gimbal. It is a gimbal, you know. So therefore,
It's an actual gimbal.
yes.
You see, here's the problem. Alex brings stuff and he doesn't tell me what they are. So I open the box and I don't know what it is. So I am as surprised as you are to see an actual gimbal. I thought it was,
But
you never told me.
Look at the size of this thing.
All right. Let's go one thing at a time. Before we continue, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why haven't you? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because if you're not, you're going to make an angel sad.
Yes, and you won't miss any of these awesome videos. So if you're looking for a channel that does home reviews on products, kitchen, and including some of these funky items,
Surprising gimbals,
yes, stay tuned.
you're in the right place. All right, so what do we have here? We have the charging cable. Looks like it's a micro USB.
Yes, it's a micro USB,
Kind of
old type.
Old type, but okay. We got the instructions.
Yes.
You know how we feel about instructions.
Yes, but on this case, I think we're gonna keep it.
All right, so it also comes with a battery.
Yes, so
That's
it
a neat
comes
touch.
with a battery because when you open it up, oh, look at this beautiful little piece. So once again, right up here, I want to mention, it does have this little lock, and then this is how you open it up, right? Depending on how you want the phone to be, you just lock it in here, right? Yeah, you want to.
So do you think that actually is gonna stabilize the phone?
It's supposed to do that. So once you have done that, right up here, this is the piece that you need to charge. So right on here, it has the charge area, and you plug it in for a few. I mean, we're gonna see how much battery it comes with. And then this is why you actually need to have the battery, because it does come with a remote control right here for your camera, which is Bluetooth. So if you're looking to, once the gimbal has been activated and you wanna just press the button to have it start, stop, or take a picture, you just press the button. And that's why it comes with the battery.
So the battery that it uses is the CR1632, in case you're looking to find out what it is.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna test it with, do you think it comes with enough charge, or?
We're gonna see how much charge it comes with. So this is part of the whole experience. So one of the things right up here, it has this little hook for the phone. It does work whether you have an Android or whether you have a Galaxy or
an
iPhone, it will work with that. So you're supposed to slide this baby in here. Whoops.
Okay, here we go.
So these things slide up. You put the phone right in there, and as you can see, the gimbal is sort of off, right? So the button to turn it on is right on this side. So let's turn on the gimbal here. Let's see, hopefully it does have charge.
We might.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There it is. And has some charge. And it's stabilized.
What? And you can actually turn the arm and push it back if you like, if it's too close, so that you can have a nice area.
But wait! There's more!
It's an extender! And it also extends! Really nice!
But wait! There is more!
There's more?
Yeah, because if you are, once again, a creator and you're trying to do like a selfie and you're trying, if you're getting started, when we got started on YouTube and we started a YouTube channel, we actually used the phone to do a lot of our recordings. Now we have a camera, but if you are a solo creator, this could be the perfect product for you.
This is really nice. I mean, I am shocked at how versatile this thing is. It comes in 2 colors, black and
pink.
Pink? Do you think that's pink?
I think it's a pink. I think it's pink.
Pink. It has 2 working hours of battery life.
Yes.
I guess on the charge on the gimbal itself.
Yep.
So, I mean, this is pretty good. I think we should try to put it to the test and record a little video to see what it looks like.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Alright, so right now the gimbal is supposed to be stabilized and I'm walking around. I want to see if some of the movements that I get, it's actually picking it up. We'll see if it looks good or if it has any issues, and you can always move it because again the extender arm is making it so easy for me to vlog right now. For those of you who are vloggers, you're gonna really love this device. And let's see how it does. I'm gonna try to run to see if it's stable. Let's see how much you guys, let's see if it, I must say it's really comfortable. It's a little crooked, I think, but
I mean, the gyroscope inside, it's trying to find its position. I need to double check. I don't think there is any kind of software for it. It just basically stabilizes where it's at. But I think for someone who's, as you mentioned, is going to be vlogging, is going to be walking around, is going to be doing all this sort of stuff, I like this. It looks really nice. And the fact that it's compact, you can close it up, put it in your bag, and you're set to go. It's very versatile.
Yes, so very simple. Now let's talk about price. Alex, how much is this device?
This device, you can find it on the Neewer website for about $24.
Wow, for $24, I would definitely pay $24. Let me tell you why. I have not been a fan of the gimbals. To me, they've been a little cumbersome to use.
We've had some experience
with some, and they've been a little weird. Sometimes the gyroscope doesn't pick up and then it just flips on you. So I've been a little reluctant, but to just pick this guy up and start recording, as you can see in the video, it sort of worked. I mean, obviously we have to charge it, there's some little kinks that we may have to do, but I feel like the product works. One thing that I noticed is that you kind of have to line up the phone in the right position in the middle.
Yes.
We didn't do that on this device. The device is a little bit slanted to one side, so that's another thing to consider. But overall, I feel like,
I mean, the good thing about it is, as you mentioned, you're moving it around and it's trying to stabilize itself. So as you're blogging and you're walking around and you're doing a lot of stuff, I mean, let's just do that. As you're walking around and you're moving, like right now, see how my arm is sideways. When I bring my arm down to the other side,
yeah,
the foam stays. It's pretty stable.
Yeah,
it's pretty stable.
For $24,
$24.
This is a great product.
And don't forget, it comes with the
Bluetooth.
the Bluetooth remote control, so that if you wanted to take pictures, you could take the pictures with this. So if you are in the market looking for a nice gimbal, the H5 from Neewer could be it. This is the perfect, I think it's the perfect budget gimbal.
Yeah, and the other thing the other thing you mentioned is the camera switch comes off the gimbal, so you can have it in another pocket, and you can, if you're standing, if you have it as a stand in the table, you can be here, record it, press record, and you can start. Listen,
This
for
is
$24, Neewer.
something to consider.
Yes.
And like we mentioned, once again, if you're interested in the product, we're gonna leave a link down below. Hopefully we'll find it in our Amazon link. I couldn't find it in Amazon, but if we find it, we're gonna link to it so that way you can take a benefit from it. If not, we're gonna link to the Neewer website so that way you can take a look at their products there. They usually have a 15, 20, and even 30% off. So this product came with an extra 20, I think it was 30% off. So I got like an extra, we got like an extra $6 on it. And by we, I mean us, because I use our account to buy it. No, I'm just kidding. I use mine.
Okay. Well, it has a lot of money in there. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know if you have any gimbals like this or any other types of devices, because we want to know what you guys use out there so we can try them out as well.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. And as I mentioned before, when you're done and ready to go, boom, and it fits right in your pocket.
Nice.
So that's the H5 from Neewer.
I like it.
Alright everyone, we'll see you on the next one.
Team
Kilowatt!
Are you in the market for a gimbal or a kind of stabilizer? Well, this video we're going to show you what the H5 by Neewer, a smartphone stabilizer,